lurra landu duzue eta bakizue, zer dan latitudea eta longitudea horako gauzak, ez da? Koordinatuekin ibili gara, aztertu dugu nola klima aldaketak eta oso lurralde, iparralde lurralde batekin dator, oso berezia, eta berak, Finlandiari buruz hitz egingo dugu. Ingresan galdera batzu prestatu dituzue, bai? Eta besterik gabe, zuen txanda.
I've got a map. So this is Finland. And well, you can see Europe, Spain is over here. So there's like 3,500 kilometers from Spain to Finland. And I come from the south, from the capital. That's, what's the name of the capital? Helsinki, yeah. Right. So this is Helsinki, down in the south. And this is the utmost north. There's the polar circle is...
Polar circle.
This is the polar circle. So Finlandia still has somewhat a big piece of the land is above the polar circle.
Orduan daude lurralde batzuk oso gotzak konturatzen zarete.
Nola ditzen da lurralde hori oso hotza? Atzikus irakurtzen du zeigarren mailakoa.
Laponia.
Yeah. Lapland. So in Lapland there lives a group of people, they are called Sami. The Samis, they live in northern Norwegian, Sweden, Finland and Russia. That's their place. The Sami people, they are a little bit like Inuits, like...
Inuitak dira eskimalak.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah. So they are, in their language, they're called Inuits. Well, the Sami people, they have all this northern part where they live, and they also, well, there's a lot of snow and cold also in the summer, but they do have the right to have some animals. And do you know the animal that they
hunt?
Well, they don't hunt it. They have those animals. The small, you know Santa Claus.
Sami jendea, badaukate eskubidea animali batzuk.
Yeah. Elurorena. I've heard that word, yes. That's reindeer. And that's the Sami people. They are the only people who have the right to keep those animals. They are not really wild animals, like bears or wolves. But the Sami people, they have them like the Basque, like they have sheep. They are like half wild. I mean, they move along in all this Laponia and the northern parts. But then again, the Sami people use the reindeers for meat to eat, and they use it also like in small carriages when there's snow. So you just sit down in your carriage and then you have reindeers.
Right?
So that's the northern part. And then the whole part of here, that's where we live, the Finns. So, any questions?